All right, guys. Got a few things for the bike today. This is a single-sided swing arm bag, and you can get this and a whole bunch of other motorcycle stuff we finally threw on the HiRevz page. So if you click the link at the top of the page here, top of the screen, that'll take you to HiRevz. You can get all kind of jackets and bags and all kinds of stuff on there now. So stuff I've been selling for years, but we finally got it on the website. So you get this thing thrown on there. If you're watching this video, I'll give you 15% off of your complete purchase if you get anything off of HiRevz. So just put in Deuce as your code and you'll get 15% off. All right, guys, so this bag is a left side swing arm bag. You can get both left and right. So this is a left side bag. And this one, when you take it out, it's all wrapped up there. And this is, most of the bags are PVC. Some of them are genuine wrapped leather, but the actual PVC bags actually last longer than the leather. Most all of the jackets and all that stuff are all going to be thick, real leather, but the bags are actually better being PVC. So this bag, it actually attaches with the strings here. You actually tie it on. That allows you to untie it, take it off with you if you're traveling somewhere. I'm gonna try that out. Sometimes I'll take those off and I'll end up switching them out with zip ties or whatever else. And then before, this is a hard backing, so you can drill holes in this. You can put little slits in it and run zip ties that way. You can attach those any way you want to. As soon as you cut this, though, it's not really 100% waterproof, but I've never ever had an issue with it, and I've ran these bags on a lot of different things. You can see on the on a 1100 here, this is the brown bag on it, and it's the same exact bag as this. It's just the brown one. And we actually did cut slits or holes in it and actually zip tied it, because this is what this bag's made for a Softail or Sportsters, other bikes like that, or hardtails. It'll bolt right on, but with the 1100, we just kind of had to make it work. So, show what that looks like. All right, there it is. I think that looks pretty good. Like I said, right now I've just got it tied on with the strings that they send with it from the factory. But I think that looks pretty good. It fits right in that hole, especially on a Softail. I just think that looks nice. That allows you to carry some stuff more than just a little tool bag in the front. So I think that looks pretty good. So check out the website and a few different things on there for bikes and whatnot. So pretty cool. I'll probably end up going with, I'm gonna find me some thicker, wide zip ties, just because I get weird about having these strings on there. So I may switch them out, and you can do that too. But it looks pretty good though. I'm pretty happy with that. The other thing we got here are these chrome head bolt covers, because overall the whole bike looks really nice. And most of the zinc still looks pretty good on most of the bolts, but these head bolts look pretty nasty. So these actually go on top of those and screw on, make them chrome, cover those up, so they look pretty good. All right, I think those look way better. That hides some of that ugliness in there, and just little things like that, and really clean stuff up. So now those are gone. Some of the later bikes actually had chrome or stainless or something, but these are just the old zinc plated ones, and that really cleans it up and gets rid of some of the ugliness. I think it looks pretty good.